So your light isn't working. Well, I'm Will with Lake Lite and Ultrabright technology, and today I'm going to show you some steps about how to troubleshoot your lights to hopefully save you some time and money.
Just because the light isn't on doesn't mean it needs replaced. The battery could also be malfunctioning. Or if you've had some darker days recently, the battery might just need to be recharged. First, we're going to test for a broken light. Now, your light may look like any one of these ones I have out here, but as long as it has a bulb component and a battery component, the process is the same. Grab a second set of the same kind of light that works. Take the battery out of both, and put the battery from the working light into the faulty one. See if it turns on. If it does, the light is just fine, all you've got is a faulty battery. If the bulb doesn't light up, make sure you're in a dark enough room so that the bulb will think it's night and turn on. There's a light sensor that'll tell it to turn off during the day when there's light out and on during night when the sun isn't out. If you still have an issue, the bulb itself might be broken. Take the battery from the original faulty light and put it into the working one. Does it light up as well? If not, maybe both the light and the bulb are faulty. Now just a note here, if the bulb doesn't light up, make sure you're in a dark enough space, as these are light activated lights. So if you're out in broad daylight testing this, none of the lights are going to turn on no matter what, even if they are fully working, because it's daytime, and that's when the battery is being charged.
Thanks for watching, and for more information, please visit our website, which is the top link in the description, or if you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment.